Welcome to spiritVPOS.to begin taking an order. First log in to your VPOS account by entering your username and password, then click Login. This will take you to the table screen, where you can select a table. Once selected, you'll be directed to the main VPOS dashboard. Here, you'll see categories displayed horizontally at the top, and items listed vertically below. You can select any category, and all items related to that category will appear. On the home screen, you can view all items together. At the top, there's also a search bar and QR search option, allowing you to quickly find any item. To place an order, simply click on the item you want. It will appear on the right-hand side, where you can increase or decrease the quantity as needed. Once you've finalized the selection, click on KOT to send the items directly to the kitchen. Next, you can view the invoice by clicking the Invoice button. To complete the process, click on Pay. Here, you'll find multiple payment options including cash, card, free credit, and even partial payment.